Hello YouTube, today at powerjackrepair.org we got something that's called Pulse Pro. Have no idea what that is, but the client decided that he could spend $60 for me to try and make it work. So the board looks something like that, Pulse Pro, whatever sensor that is. There's a whole bunch of sensors here. Not sure what they do. Not sure how they work. But the connector basically come off the motherboard and took every single trace from the motherboard. So there is nothing to solder the connector to. Let me show you the right there. You see, this is all traces here. I probably can't see. Hold on, let's change the angle a bit. Like right there, you see, this is a trace from the motherboard. That's another trace from the motherboard. That's another trace from the motherboard. So what you're looking at is the final product. The board that says PL205785, not sure what that means. Again, don't know what that is. I just basically took and fixed it. One thing to keep in mind, if the rear trace is damaged for the positive pin right here, that trace has a split. One goes right here to the right and one goes right here to the left. So the trace right here is broken. So I had to connect the cable directly through the motherboard here on the left side. I will show you everything under the microscope in a second. And another one I had to go through the board right here. So that goes for the plus. So two cables are going towards the plus, towards the rear pin. And this cable goes towards the rear left hole right here. So on the other side, if you look, this is the ground right here. That's the pink wire. And that's the gray wire right here. So next to this capacitor, you can zoom in on the big screen TV, it's 4K quality. And the other cable goes here, I assume this is it. So right here is where the plus is at as well. Let me show you under the microscope. All right, so under the microscope we can see, let's do something like that, yeah. This is the plus right here connected to this pretty much. It's going through the board. So this isn't that, it's all the same. All right, so this is the plus. This is a minus right here. I ask everybody to text, but people call me. So anyway, so this is the ground right here. That's the ground wire. And I need to clean everything up. I will clean it after I show you that it works. And where is the other wire? Hold on. The other wire is right here someplace, right? Right here. This is it right here. So this is where, this is the plus right here, plus right here, ground right there, and that's the plus and the ground right there on that other side, on the left side. Okay, and this seems to be working. Let me show you that it does work. All right, let's see. And just some hot glue to keep the cables in place so it wouldn't be ripped out. The client can just use a fan to melt that glue any way he wants for the shells to come together. So when we connect together, we should get, you see right there, red lights. Let's see if we can power this thing up. I got a button here. And I'm not sure if it's powering up or not powering up, go figure. I'm not sure what this whole thing does, what this thing's supposed to do. But I mean, whenever I press the power button, something's happening, right? So my understanding that everything does work, all right? So if you have a board like that, feel free to send it over. I could do something like this. And the client was aware that he sent me a few pictures and I told him there's nothing I can solder it to. So I can do just a pigtail like that, pretty much for any board. So it doesn't matter which board it is. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I will go clean it up and you have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye.